Korean grammar for speaking 2. This is Songwon, the author of Korean grammar for speaking 1 and 2. I really hope you guys enjoy the book and be able to speak this language, Korean, and just enjoy it and have fun with it. Okay, we are going to study poda today. Poda as a word, it means watch, see, or look, right? But as a grammar, this means then in English. So, bus is slower than a train, right? Or an airplane is faster than a horse, for example. So this then we're going to study today. All right, with nouns first. What's faster, bus or train? It's obvious. Train is faster, right? So bus, 버스, train, 기차. In this case, we want to say 기차가 버스보다 빨라요. 기차가 버스보다 빨라요. So, this could be really difficult because it's completely opposite of English, right? But here's a trick. I would say like something better. You put that thing at first and use this 이 or 가. 기차가 버스보다 빨라요. A horse, a person. Which one is faster? 말이, 말, horse. 말이 사람보다 빨라요. So, what's better? Put that better thing at the first of the sentence. So you can use this really easy. All right. What's more expensive? A car or a house? Obviously, house is more expensive, right? So, 집이 차보다 비싸요. Easy, right? So, put something you think it's better at first. That's my tip. Okay. How about this? That's because we use noun with this poda grammar. But these words like eat, drink, go, walk, they can also be nouns as we studied, right? Using 기 or 는 것. Perfect. Let's use them. Before that, let's practice 하다 words. If you remember this, 하다 words, without 하다, they all become nouns, right? 일하다, 일. 공부하다, 공부. 생각하다, think. 생각, right? So with 하다 words, there are 3 ways that you can conjugate. So without 하다, 생각, right? Or 생각하기, or 생각하는 것. They're all correct. But we need to know what's more common. Try to find them like while you're watching movies or TV shows. That's the only way. All right. 생각하다, which means think. So let's just use that. It took longer than I thought. All right. Now, than I thought. The last one, you want to take it and put it in at first of the sentence. So, 생각보다 it took longer. Take for time, it was 걸리다. and long for time. 오래. So 오래 걸리다. Now it's complete. 생각보다 오래 걸렸어요. Because we want to say it took longer than I thought. Not it takes longer than I thought, right? Past tense. 걸리다, 걸렸어요. 생각보다 오래 걸렸어요. Why are you late? Oh, I'm sorry. 생각보다 오래 걸렸어요. Here's one more thing. In English, it took longer than I thought. I didn't say it took long than I thought. We have that too. Long, longer. Tall, taller. Or more. More expensive, more beautiful, right? It's 더. Easy, right? 더. So, 생각보다 더 오래 걸렸어요. It took longer than I thought. All right. How about this? Work. 일하다. Health. Work and health. What's more important? What do you think? Health. Right. Health is more important, right? So, the sentence is health is more important than work. And like I said, the work, the last thing in this sentence, put it in to the first. Then it becomes 일보다. What's more important? Health. 건강. So 일보다 건강이 more important. 더 중요해요. 일보다 건강이 더 중요해요. Right? So that's how you use with 하다 words. Alright, now let's check out the 기 and 는 것. So if you remember what we studied, this 기 and 는 것, they make these verbs like 가다, 오다, like go, come, eat, run, stuff, to going, eating, learning, like ing, right? So they are nouns, we want to say. So how about this? 올라가다, go up. 가다, sounds familiar, right? 올라가다, go up. Go down, 내려가다. 올라가다, 내려가다. What's more harder? What's harder when you climb a mountain? Well, I would say going down is going down is harder, right? So hard, we need to use this word, 힘들다. And let's use 기 this time. So, something better you put first, remember? So, 내려가기가, going down is 올라가기보다 harder, 더 힘들어요. Or some people might think, no, going up is it's harder than going down, right? They're beginners. All right, let's practice. So, in this time, we want to say going up is more difficult and harder, right? So put that in the first and use 이 and 가, remember? So, 올라가기가 내려가기보다 더 힘들어요. 올라가기가 내려가기보다 더 힘들어요. Could be true. And this 는 것, same, right? Just put 는 것 instead of 다. Same example. 올라가는 것이 것이 becomes what? 개 when it's shortened, right? So 올라가는 게 내려가는 것보다 힘들어요. 올라가는 게 내려가는 것, right? 내려가는 것보다 힘들어요. If you really remember this 것, when we studied be going to grammar, this 것, we don't pronounce this. So 거예요, right? This two. 올라가는 것이, 올라가는 게 내려가는 거보다 힘들어요. How about this? 보다. What's more difficult? Watching it or actually doing it? What do you think? Of course, doing it is more difficult. Then we want to say that first. 하는 것이, 하는 게 보는 것보다 어려워요. 하는 게 보는 것보다 어려워요. If you want to use this 는 것 to 기, 하기가 보기보다 어려워요. Like this. Do you understand? So, with this poda, well, this is actually like not really difficult grammar, but I put this poda in Korean grammar for speaking too. That is because I wanted to explain this with 기 and 는 것 grammar, so then you guys can master this grammar, poda. I hope my thought was right. So I just don't want to, teach like, I'll just use nouns and poda. Then you guys would just use this with like some words like air conditioner, camera, people, like train, bus, and taxi stuff, right? But we also use this with 기 and 는 것. So please memorize them. Remember that. All right, so now we're done studying 기 and 는 것 and some related grammar with those guys. I hope you understood this perfectly, and like I have been saying, use it. You don't have a chance to use it, that's an excuse. You're not desperate and not yet. So make the chance if you don't have a chance. All right, I will see you guys next time. Thank you.